I'm Jen Fidel, founder of The Pack Mom, and today we're talking about what you can put on carpets to keep your dog from going to the bathroom there over and over and over. So today I'd like to talk about two things. The first is cleaning the set stain or the fresh stain, and the second is how to prevent that from happening again and again. So first, if you have a fresh stain and you're able to catch it really right when your dog has left the stain, then simply blot your carpet with a paper towel or a towel until you can get it as dry as possible. Then douse it with water. Kind of blot it again, blot the water again and again, and repeat that process until you have eliminated as much of the stain as you can possibly eliminate. After it dries, put baking soda over the stain and let that dry overnight. That will help absorb all of the odors and get them all out of your carpet. The next morning, vacuum that surface right up. Now, if the stain is set, that's a different story. You're going to repeat the first part of that process with blotting, dousing, but instead of using water this time, use either equal parts vinegar and water, or you can use an oxy-based or an enzyme-based commercial cleaner. Get that nice and dry, and if you want to try again with the baking soda and leave it overnight, you can do that as well. If you try to vacuum it up while it's wet, just use a wet vac if you have one. Now, how do we prevent this from happening over and over again? It's all about those dogs and their powerful noses. They can smell urine or other stains in the carpet for such a long time after they're there. So use the right cleaner. If you vacuum regularly, use baking soda or a baking soda-like product every time you vacuum. That helps the buildup of pet odor on your carpet. But the key to this problem is training your pet and housebreaking your pet. So if you have a pet, a puppy, or maybe a senior dog who is having an incontinence issue, you might want to try using puppy pads or crating or gating your dog from the carpeted area. I'm Jen Fidel, founder of The Pack Mom, and we are talking about what you can use on your carpets to keep your dogs from going to the bathroom there. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.